Hi, I'm Audrey Labib from ASB.
And I'm Jordan Javaheri from KBEV. This is the week of April 23rd.
Welcome to the Norman Update.
Seniors, prom is this Saturday on April 28th from 7 to 10 p.m. at the Pacific Design Center. Remember that all attendees and guests must complete the contract paperwork to attend. Also, be sure to cast your votes for prom royalty on Juno this week.
This Friday, April 27th, there will be an evacuation drill during period 3A of assembly schedule. A new evacuation plan has been put into place where everyone will exit the school and walk over to Durant Street. Classes will be grouping by departments by street number. More information on the drill will be announced by teachers this week.
Juniors, on Monday, April 30th, there will be an extensive APUSH Review Session in the John Cherney Lecture Hall from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Be sure to come take advantage of this opportunity.
This year, KBEV, Highlights, and ASB are working together to host the first ASB Debates. Today, Monday, will be the sophomore debate, Tuesday will be the junior debate, Wednesday will be the senior debate, and Friday will be the head row debate. The debates will be held at lunch in KBEV. You can come by and watch it live at lunch or watch the live stream at kbev6.com/debate.
The annual French Cabaret will be this Wednesday, April 25th in the cafeteria. There will be a wide variety of performances of French songs, dances, and poems. There will also be a silent auction and food catered by Earth Cafe. The silent auction will begin at 6:30 and the program will start at 7:30. Admission is free.
Remember that today and tomorrow are the only block schedule days this week. Also, Thursday is early dismissal for open house. At open house, KBEV will be doing a 3-hour live show, interviews with many different programs from around the school, and be sure to stay tuned for a special segment called Teachers Read, Rate My Teachers.
Thank you for watching the Norman Update. I'm Jordan Javaheri.
And I'm Audrey Labib. We will see you next week.